My kitchen sink area is always wet from drips and I'm always wiping it up, but I found the solution and it's so great. It's the stone faucet mat. Comes in two pieces, comes in different colors to match your countertop. This is what's one we got, and it is not cuttable, so you want to measure. It's not going to work with sink buttons or dispensers that are in the way, but then you can put your soaps, you can put your sponges right there. I love the one we got. Like I said, it blends in beautifully with our quartz, but it keeps the area dry and looking nice. So here is what the stone looks like up close and personal. It's very thin. It looks great. It looks sturdy. It is a stone. You cannot cut it. But what I love about it is that once you measure, you can get this length that you want. There's different lengths, and make sure you measure the sink because, again, it has to go around the sink. But the brilliant part about it is it absorbs the water. So when it gets wet, as it immediately starts absorbing that water, and within minutes, it is dry. It looks dry. It's so crazy. I absolutely love it. I think it is fantastic. It's a great addition